Hey guys, welcome to Big Basket YouTube channel. My name is Franky and today I'm going to demonstrate this edgy floating graphic eyeliner look. This style is artistic, fun and eye-catching. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. I'm brushing up the hair of my brows using spoolie and begin to shape and fill my eyebrows using the pencil side, working in short strokes in the direction of my hair. Make sure to blend with the spoolie after the application and set the brow hair in place using a clear brow gel. I am applying eyeshadow primer all the way up to my brow bone to create an even base for eyeshadow. Using a flat brush, I am applying a matte light color all across my lid area to help me define the placement of the liner. After that, I go in with the pen eyeliner and lining past the inner lash line towards the nose. Then I'm lining from the outer edge of my eye towards the tail of my brow and filling it in. Using thin strokes, I'm lining my upper lash line. To add a little something extra to this look, I am applying a silver liquid eyeshadow all across my lid until it's fully opaque. Here comes the tough part. I begin to sketch a line across my crease. Work in short, thin strokes starting from the inner corner, working your way out towards the tail of the brows. Use the pointy tip of the eyeliner to make the line crisp and sharp. You can also use a full coverage concealer to create sharp lines. I am applying a coat of mascara and let's move on to the base makeup. Start by applying a moisturizer to prep your face and start applying your foundation using a foundation brush. Dab the brush from the center of your face towards the edges to achieve an even base. Go in with the damp sponge to take off any excess foundation and achieve a flawless finish. To get rid of the darkness, I am applying concealer under my eyes, side of my nose and sides of my mouth and blending outwards with the concealer brush in a dabbing motion. Now I am applying liquid bronzer over the hollows of my cheeks with the round brush in a circular motion towards the corner of my mouth and blend it seamlessly with the foundation using a damp sponge. Using the same brush, I am applying cream blusher just over the bronzer towards my temples and blend using a damp sponge. To add a healthy glow, I am applying liquid illuminator on the apples of my cheeks and blending outwards using my fingertips. To set my base makeup, I am using loose powder and a fluffy brush and dusting lightly all across my face. To set my under eyes and T-zone, I am using loose powder and a makeup puff and lightly applying the powder in a dabbing motion. Now I'm applying highlighter in a circular motion above my cheekbones, above my brows and chin. To define the shape of my lip, I'm lining them using a nude brown lip pencil and apply a peachy pink liquid lipstick over it. I'm topping it up with a gloss in the center. Here I'm applying a grey color eyeshadow under the lower lash line and diffusing the color outwards and adding a shimmery silver color in the inner corner of the eye. Finish with a coat of mascara and a pair of eyelashes, and this is the complete look. Get all the products I used from the beauty store by Big Basket. I will leave links to all the products in the description box below. To check out more videos, subscribe to Big Basket Lifestyle YouTube channel or visit us on blog.bigbasket.com. I hope you liked this video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll see you next time with a new look. Bye!